Mac Tips. I'm going to be showing you how to get caffeine for free on your Mac. This is a free software. It's not paid or anything, but this allows you to keep your MacBook awake the whole time. It will not shut the computer off. You can set it to certain times, like say you use your computer to watch TV at night or something like that. It's a really useful software, and I personally think you should download it and use it. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't take that much space either. So you're going to want to go to the link in the description below. It's going to be a bit.ly link, but I just have not shortened the link yet. So it's going to take you to this mega page here. Once you get to the mega page, you're going to go ahead and click the download button. And then when it's downloaded, you can go to your downloads folder by clicking the Finder, and then go into your downloads section here. Or if you have not removed it from the dock, you can go ahead and go to the downloads section and drag it to your desktop. I personally like downloading my downloaded files to my desktop because it's easier. As you can see, I have an installers folder. So once that's done, you're going to go ahead and double click the Caffeine for Mac by the STTT. I did not create the software by any means. It's just by STT, so you guys know where the software came from. You guys can rename it if you guys want to do your own video. I could care less. You do not have to give me any credit at all because it's not my software. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and double click it once it's done extracting. You're going to automatically start caffeine at login for me because I use my MacBook for videos, editing, and obviously email and stuff like that. Activate caffeine at launch. I'm going to do indefinitely so my Mac does never turn off. Go ahead and click close, and then it's going to pop up with this icon here. You can right click on it and go to preferences. It's going to take you back to this window here. You can also right click on it and click activate for. It's going to show, it's going to be colored in red, and then you know it's on. So that is how you get caffeine, and what you can do is you can go to your Finder, go to your application section, and it's probably not going to be there, so if you look here, it's not here. So what you have to do is grab caffeine and drag it into the applications folder, and then it should pop up right here. When it's here, you can go ahead and drag it into your tools. Like I have everything organized. But that is how you get caffeine for free on your MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iMac. It will work for any Mac. But thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, please drop a dislike. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.